Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add buttons on Wix. So let's get started. So in here, you can see my Wix website editor. And since I want to add a button, what I can do is I can click on this add elements right here. And then once I have done that, I should be able to see the button option. Here it is right here. Just click on that. And in here, you can see a lot of button options. You can choose theme buttons, text and icon buttons just like this ones, image buttons, document buttons, upload buttons, iTunes buttons, as well as pay buttons and PayPal buttons. So in order to put in a button, you just need to choose what kind of button you want to add to your page. So for this one, I just need to add this shop button. Here's the shop button. In order to add it, just drag and drop this under page. I will just put it right here. And as you can see, here's the shop button in here. So in order to change this, you can actually link something right here. So click on this link, and then you can correspond your button into a page, web address, section, or anchor, button on the page or top, document, email, phone number, and lightbox. So for me, I'll correspond it to a page. Since this one says shop, I will open the page that says product page. And then in here, choose the item. So just choose the item, and then after that, click on done. So once your data is sorted, I think just click on publish, or you can also see the preview it first before you publish it. So for me, I'll just choose preview first. In that way, my changes will not be online yet, and I can still troubleshoot if there's any error on my specific edit this time. So in here, you can see the shop button. As you can see as well, it hovers. So when you click on that, it will redirect me to the page of my product pages on my shop. So here it is right here. It has redirected me to this page. So we can actually go back to before in order to edit the button as well. So if you don't like a green button, as like mine, what we can do is they can actually head over to that specific button. So the button is in the home page. That's redirect the serve product page. And then in here, the home page, you can click the button. So let's try to click it. And then in here, you should be able to see options it are edited. So let's try to edit this specific button in here. And also just click on this quick edit. But a quick edit will only show you the section background, strip background. And when you scroll down, you can as well see the button. Here's the button and title at each paragraph. So we don't want that, so we just need to just edit this button right here. So let's edit that. And you can see here the change text and icon. So when you click on that, you should be able to choose what it displays. So as of right now, you can put in here shop, or you can also put in here buy. It totally depends on you. And you can also change the icon if you want. So you can replace it. Nice like this. Then also click on this design option right here, and you should be able to change how it looks like. You can make it like this, like this, like this. When you hover over any design, you can see what it will look like before you change it. And also customize the design. And by customizing it, you can change the color, background cells, and all of that. So let's change the green into blue. And then as you can see, it has been changed into blue. You can also click on the hover right here, and then you can change in the hover of this one in order to make this more appealing to your audience. Totally depends on you. You can also still just change the text in here. So when you click on the text, you can show the text, put in a font that you want. So for this one, let's change the font, and you can change the font however you want. So it totally depends on you what font you want to change it into. So if you change it this one, it will reflect right here. So once you're done with everything, you can also freebie it one more time or just publish it. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add buttons on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below, subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.